Why Japan is a good choice for Airbnb. Strong tourism demand. Japan is one of the most visited countries in the world, drawing tourists year-round for its rich culture, scenic landscapes, and urban attractions. Popular cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka see high occupancy rates, especially during peak seasons like cherry blossom season or winter skiing in Hokkaido. Growing foreign visitors. Japan's government aims to attract 60 million visitors annually by 2030, showing its commitment to tourism growth. This trend increases demand for short-term rentals. Unique appeal. Tourists often prefer Airbnb properties for an authentic experience of Japanese homes, whether it's a traditional ryokan-style property or a sleek urban apartment. Affordable properties in some regions. Outside major cities, property prices can be very affordable, offering opportunities for budget-conscious investors in smaller towns or rural areas. Reliable infrastructure. Japan's excellent public transportation and safety make short-term rentals appealing to international travelers looking for convenience. Challenges to consider. Strict regulations. Japan introduced the Minpaku Law in 2018 to regulate short-term rentals. Key restrictions include rentals are limited to 180 days per year. Hosts must register their property and obtain permits. Local governments can impose additional rules, and some areas, like Kyoto during peak tourist seasons, heavily restrict Airbnb operations. Market saturation. Popular areas, particularly Tokyo and Kyoto, have significant competition. Standing out requires careful property selection and strong marketing strategies. Cultural sensitivities. Japanese culture values cleanliness, quietness, and respect for neighbors. Airbnb hosts must ensure guests follow these norms to avoid complaints or fines. Language barrier. Communication with both guests and local authorities may be challenging if you don't speak Japanese. This can make property management and legal compliance more difficult. High startup and maintenance costs. In cities like Tokyo, property prices and upkeep costs can be high, cutting into profit margins. Key takeaways. Yes, Japan can be a profitable Airbnb market due to its strong tourism demand and unique cultural appeal. However, strict regulations, cultural considerations, and competition mean you must research local laws, find the right location, and provide exceptional guest experiences to succeed. If you're willing to navigate Japan's regulatory environment and tailor your property to tourist expectations, starting an Airbnb business can be a rewarding venture.